Understanding cultural traditions, a gateway to global harmony. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that touches the heart of every community around the world: cultural traditions. Whether you're from the bustling streets of New York, the serene countryside of Japan, or anywhere in between, cultural traditions shape our identities and our understanding of each other. Let's explore what makes these traditions so vital and how they contribute to the colorful tapestry of global cultures. Cultural traditions are the beliefs, practices, languages, arts, and rituals that are passed down from generation to generation within a community. They are the essence of a community's heritage, reflecting its historical background, moral values, and social norms. From the way we celebrate major life events like births, marriages, and deaths to our daily practices such as what we eat, how we dress, and even the idioms we use, all are part of these rich traditions. Cultural traditions play a crucial role in bonding communities. They foster a sense of belonging and identity among their members, creating a strong social fabric that can support individuals in times of need. Moreover, they serve as a bridge between the past and the present, allowing us to understand and appreciate our roots and the journeys of those who came before us. In our increasingly interconnected world, understanding and respecting cultural traditions is not just interesting, it's essential. As people move and societies blend, we find ourselves exposed to a diverse array of traditions. This exposure is a powerful tool for building empathy and cross-cultural understanding. By learning about and respecting the traditions of others, we pave the way for a more harmonious and inclusive world. While it's important to preserve cultural traditions, it's equally important to recognize that cultures are not static. They evolve as societies change. This evolution can lead to vibrant new expressions that incorporate elements from multiple cultures, enriching our global heritage. Embracing change while respecting the past is a delicate balance, but one that is key to keeping traditions alive and relevant for future generations. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of cultural traditions. We hope this video has given you a deeper appreciation for the rich diversity of cultures around the world and the importance of preserving and evolving our traditions. Remember, every tradition started with a single step, a single story, a single idea. What traditions will we create and pass on? Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep celebrating the diversity that makes our world a truly amazing place.